love being in nature. There's something special about it. There's peace in nature. The skies, the mountains, the trees, hearing the sounds of birds chirping, seeing the rivers flowing, feeling the cool breeze, that feeling when you're looking at a campfire. The stars, the moon, the sun, it all brings me peace. It helps me feel connected and to remember what matters most, to be still in this world with distractions and to receive revelation and inspiration. I'm so grateful for nature.